The food is ready?
No, okay.
Okay. Here we go. Eat inside.
Yes, fruit. Nice. Yes,
I forgot my shoes the first time. Really bad mistake.
Wow.
What do we say here? Wow, you're giving me a lot. Oh, you're giving me all that. Okay. Cameraman. Yes.
Oh.
You're the cameraman again. Is it rolling?
Okay.
Rolling.
Yes, it's rolling. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this for me. Sit down.
Sit
down,
down.
sit down.
All right.
Okay, sit down. Sit down.
Wow. Film the food. Film the food. Yes. Amazing. I have this one. Do you want some? It's for cleaning hands. It's like this.
Oh, wow.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Now we're talking. You want some too? Okay. All right. Show me how you eat this, Dan. You first.
Come on.
All right. Come on. I'll take this. Ah, camera woman.
Yes.
Nice job.
Young again. I want to poke the
So you
baba.
cut it off like this. All right. So you throw. Oh, they even gave me a spoon here. Let me see here. Not easy for me to eat. No. Good. Amazing. Okay, guys. It's actually a very good meal. And this chapati is incredible. I don't know what that was. It's not spicy. All right, cameraman. Cameraman. Oh, it's great. I like it. Your wife can cook really well. She make here?
Yes.
Like one of
This day.
maybe Oh, no rice, it's okay.
Rice. This is a pat.
Super.
Water. In a bottle, Jojo.
You're not eating.
Okay.
You not eat.
Only
us. Wow. I like your style. You feed the man first. The ladies have to wait. You see here, man eating, woman cooking, woman waiting.
Okay.
London, American,
Norway,
Australia.
Norway.
Norway.
Norvegia.
और भाई को लो
You know Norway? Germany, Sweden.
Germany.
Yes.
Yes.
Very close. All right, cameraman.
Oh, cameraman.
It's a great honor to be my cameraman. Whoops.
Very good.
I like it.
Sing.
Oh, okay. This is breakfast.
Okay.
My first meal.
Okay. Young guy, breakfast.
How spicy?
Okay. Maharaj.
बैठ गया Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Quick.
Look.
Oh, is this?
You use this one.
No, okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
That's
Now
circular.
eat too. Thank you. Am I the first foreigner? First Germany? First Germany here? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you very much. My first, yeah? Thank you very much. This is fantastic. I
thank
really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
आधा खा मिठू सा
You want me to try your rice, huh?
Nice. Super.
Super.
Is that super?
This one? No.
No?
एक
बार खा के देख
Only.
1 minute. Wow, super.
चम्मच से
Second.
चम्मच से खाएंगे
You really want me to try the sauce?
वो मिठ को था नहीं
सॉस नहीं है
Cameraman. Oh, it's sweet. Yeah, it's nice. No, it's okay. Just this. You don't hungry? Hungry?
Okay.
Later, huh? All right. Thank you, cameraman. Thank you, cameraman. So I'm still here eating, and I'm saying I'm gonna be fat, and he's saying no, it's healthy.
No.
Healthy. You make me strong.
Yes. Healthy. Yes.
Super healthy.
Healthy.
They're also telling me he had 6 brothers,
Yes.
Father.
7 girls
7 girls, 7 sisters,
sisters
and 6 brothers.
6 brothers
Wow, your father very strong. You have a lot of power.
Yes. Yes.
Powerful man. All right. We're trying to eat everything here.
Drink.
No, I have my water.
Only.
Yeah.
English.
Drinks. This is drinks.
why you
Drinks.
No.
No.
Drinks. English. Quarters.
Daru.
Yes.
Daru.
Daru.
Drinking.
Oh, me, no. I don't dare to drink daru.
One glass.
1 glass of daru.
One glass.
Yeah, but I might die if I have his daru. I have daru. It's like a.
No.
No, I'm not brave enough. They're trying to try their daru, but I don't dare to. Do you have beer? Do you have kingfisher?
Beer.
No.
Kingfisher.
I'm a fat because this is very good.
Roti.
Yes.
Roti.
All right, just
Welcome
finished
to
the
India.
meal. They're all saying welcome to India. Thank you very much for having me
India.
here. I've been hearing all about the family and so on, and this is amazing. Thank you very much for the experience. This was great.
Right.
And take care of the sunglasses for you. Yes, I will. Yeah, there we go. I will just have this one. Okay, thank you so much, guys. How do you say thank you in Hindi? What dhanyawad? Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and Hindi or Gujarati?
Gujarati.
Dhanyawad.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.
Dhanyawad.
On my shoes. Here we go.
गुजराती में धन्यवाद
Dhanyawad.
इंग्लिश में थैंक यू
Thank you.
गुजराती में धन्यवाद
All right, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Thank you. And maybe I will come back and say hello later. Maybe tomorrow.
आ जाओ
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.
हेलो
Yes. Oh, you want to see the sleep?
ये कमला.
Oh, this is the bed.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Dad.
हेलो.
Yeah.
आपको सुना है?
Alp Kusuna, sleeping.
हाँ, sleeping. आपके लिए.
He's telling me that I can sleep here. That is
sleep here.
awesome. Oh, you have a fan and everything.
पंखा है. कहने.
Hotel.
हाँ. होटल बोटल नहीं.
Kitna pesa? Hotel.
होटल नहीं.
होटल क्या हुआ?
होटल ये है बस.
यहाँ क्या है हमारा होटल में?
Whose room here?
His room.
Yes.
Your room.
Room.
Yes.
हाँ. Yes. 1 minute. My bag. Score. My bag.
This your bed? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, he wants to show me his backpack.
My notebook.
This is your notebook. Let me see what you're studying. You're studying writing.
Writing with us. My writing. No writing. English में topic आ रही है मस्त है जिससे. Sorry, last the book. 1 minute. 1 minute.
They told me he's in grade 7. He's studying 7 class. Ah, yes, standard 7. Yes. Dinesh.
Yes.
Oh, this is your English book.
Yes. Yes.
That is why you speak English.
Yoga.
Can you read this? What does this say?
Yoga.
Yeah, but read it.
We
Read.
need to do.
Read.
Read.
M.
M like blue.
Am I lost?
Am I lost?
Yes. Gir National Park. You have the lions. Yes.
Lions.
I wanted to go there. Have you been there? You been to Gir?
Yes. No.
Not been to Gir?
No. એટલે તો ગીરે
All right, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
I will come back and say hello again maybe
okay.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay? Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
One room है.
It's another room.
Yeah.
This is your room.
हाँ.
All right.
ये room.
They want to show me all the rooms. I guess this dude is kind of rich here. I mean, he has all these rooms.
Come.
Come on.
There. Bhagwan.
This is Bhagwan.
Yes.
It's the same as your necklace.
Yes.
Yes.
He was telling me before, he was asking me if I was a Christian, if I was a Christ. I know about that here. He was telling me about his religion.
हमारे भगवान.
Bhagwan.
हमारी देवी.
हमारी देवी हाय.
Hi.
Excuse me. हमारी देवी हाय. हम लोग पूछते हैं उसको नमन करते हैं.
हम नमस्कार.
कैसे?
Pray. Yes.
हम.
Oh, you give, okay. All right. Thank you guys, thank you. How do I look? Now I'm Hindu. I'm a Hindu man now.
हिंदू हो गया.
All right, guys, thank you very much. Amazing visit. Oh, amazing visit. Thank you, and see you next time. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Yes, I will come to sleep here. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, Papa. Bye bye, Papa.
Father.
Namaste.
Namaste. हाँ,
Thank you.
Father.
Thank you so much. You have an amazing family.
70.
10. Number 10.
70.
74. 78. 10. 100.
100 years old.
100.
And over. Wow.
How much?
Yes.
100.
My grandfather.
Yeah.
My grandfather.
That is incredible.
My father.
He's the man with all the power because you have 6 brothers and 7 sisters.
Yes.
Good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. How do I get out? Is it to the right? Bye bye. Bye bye guys. Thank you. Your team was amazing. Oh, can I go out here? Okay. Bye bye. Hello. How are you? Let me see if you can even go out here. I'm not sure. Hello. Yep. Hello. I'm looking for a way out. Okay. This way, yeah? I just continue to go straight? Yeah?
There.
Okay, to the main road.
Man.
All right, bye-bye.
Yes.
Oh, they want me to. How are you? This way, huh? They want me to go out this way. I don't know why, but let's listen to them. They've been very nice to me. Come, all right. Oh, it's a party. Street party. Hello. This is a DJ. Right, they want to show me a street party. I told you this community is lively. Episode of Harold Invades. I hope you enjoyed it. I believe that I probably lost 20 minutes of the early footage walking around here with struggling and people throwing things at me, but it was all fun. I hope I have the footage. I don't know if I hello. If I do not have the footage, well, at least I have the footage of the actual successful home invasion. I mean, that was incredible. I really enjoyed the hospitality of that family. They gave me food. They showed me all the rooms. Damn, it's difficult to vlog here because so many people are talking. Hello, guys. But I will obviously go back there, and he didn't want any money, and he kept saying it. Even as we were eating, I mean, I turned off the camera and we were talking with a little English that his that his children knew, and he was very adamant, I do not want anything from you. Even when I gave his son my sunglasses, he said no, and he tried to give them back to me. But anyway, it was hello, guys. I also do not know what this read. Did he make a cross or did they make a dot in my forehead? Who knows? Anyway, again, one of my favorite days here in not just in this country, but pretty much anywhere that I have traveled. So I'm gonna go home and see if there's enough light in there and so on, and if I can use this footage and show you guys. So, signing off from the Hollywood colony in Ahmedabad. What a place.